So I've been making videos on how to get free 3 month Apple subscription, and I've been thinking about my Spotify users. I know there are a lot of subscribers, some of my subscribers here who are diehards Spotify fans, and they don't want to switch to Apple Music. So in today's video, I can't be a solution. I will show you guys on how to get 3 months free Spotify premium account that can listen to any music and access all the premium features for free for the first 3 months. All right, so if you're new here, my name is Gerald. I make instant philosophy tutorials. So I advise you subscribe to my channel, turn on the post notification, and also hit that like button. It's very important. And don't me where you're watching this video from. You're watching this video from Nigeria or anywhere around the world. Please just comment the city you're watching this video from in the comment section below. So without wasting much time, let's get down to business. So when you click on this website, they're gonna bring you right to this page here, and you can see hey, listen without limit. Try 1 month of premium Spotify for €0. All right, so you just come here and click on try 1 month, and this is gonna open. So this is, you have to understand that this is for people who don't have an account yet. If you haven't created any account to Spotify, so we can just go ahead and then create sign up or create an account with this. I think I've created one account already. It's a fresh account, but let's sign up. I'm going to make use of Google some of my emails here, so you can also go ahead and sign up and do follow the steps as it is supposed to be. First, select any email address that's best fits you, that you want to use. I'll wait for it to load. So it's requesting for number. So we're Nigeria, so I'm making use of my Nigerian number. This is actually the email verification, so just have to verify your email. I think it's just, you can just skip this step and just move forward. This is like a random email that I'm using just for the purpose of this video, so you just have it at the back of your mind. And so you're gonna come here and fill up this space. Alright, just fill up random details here. Alright, so here they're going to tell you to input your debit card here. So even though you input your debit card, you're not going to be charged anything. Like for the first 1 month, you can always go back and then remove your card anytime it pleases you, or anytime that is your Spotify it's about to expire. You can always go back and then remove it. All right, so let us just put in one of my card here that I hardly use. So let me just put in one of my card here. So if you input your card, then just come down here and click on complete purchase. So it's all set now. Our account is ready. Our Spotify account is ready. So it's pretty straightforward and very easy to use. All right, so you can just open Spotify now, or you can just go to an Explore account. Let's go to our account and then see. Let's go to our account so that we'll be able to see our plan. As you can see, or you can see here, all right, our next payment is supposed to be on the 6th of this month of the 6th month of this year. All right, first 6 months of this year, which is like that's like roughly, that's 3 months from now, exactly 3 months from now. So we have like 3 months of this account, of this premium account. All right, so thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like this video and also subscribe. All right, I hope that was helpful. I hope that was educative. Please, this is strictly for educational use only. So if you find this useful, please subscribe to my channel, turn on the post notification, and also like this video. And if you experience any challenges or need me to throw more light on any of these features or anything, if you're having challenges to get these premium features, please just tell me in the description below, and then I'll attend to you to the best of my knowledge. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.